Yo, Yo Rich, what's up?
Kamusta? KSYN Fitness. Si Sir Erwin pala, day ones natin. Nakasama natin before sa pandemic. Kamusta, sir?
Ganun pa rin. Tuloy pa rin sa buhat. Cardio ngayon, 10 minutes. Push day, no? Push day tayo, bro.
Push day kami ngayon. Let's go. Capseed, manager dito sa may KSYN Del Monte.
Welcome back, mga brother. Matagal-tagal na. Since 2021 pa tayo last nagkasama-sama sa pandemic days. So ngayon, Sir Erwin, si Rich, Warren, welcome sa KSYN Del Monte. Then as of now, we have our coaches here. Si Coach Isa, Coach Bench, and si Coach Jen. If you want to train with us, come and visit us here at KSYN Del Monte.
So yung warm-up namin is rear delts para malakas yung push nila mamaya kasi papahirapan natin. So, reverse pec deck. Moderate weight lang usually, pero high reps. So, kung ilan yung kaya mo, sir, yung moderate weight mo lang. Plus 20, 2 sets lang.
So I wanted to be the first to tell you, I'm feeling like my old self again. Renewed, recharged, refocused, with nothing to stop me from being me.
Okay.
Incline dumbbell press, standard saka neutral grip.
Pero anong timbang mo ngayon, sir?
Pounds na sa 192.
Ikaw, Rich?
166.
166.
Actually, 130 plus siguro or below 110.
Babalik.
Bakit na bakit?
Up!
Neutral na dumbbell incline. Actually, gusto ko lang silang mapagod eh.
Come on, man.
So, next naming workout sa chest fly machine na plate loaded. Uubusin natin sila. Go! Go! Pagod na? Neck shoulder press na dumbbell. Pero lang, magaan lang. Dumbbell side lateral na pyramid set. Start muna tayo sa pinakamabigat. Then next. Then after dito, balik. So 12 reps, 15, 20. Then balik, 15, 12, 12. Last na yan. Tapos tricep extension. 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, partials. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12, okay. 6, 7, up, 8. Yan, go! Nice one. 2, 3, 4. Next is straight bar na tricep extension. Last na to. Tricep. Last na to. Nice